Welcome this video create and invite and functional patio in your backyard. Do not have to break the bank. Wait a bit of create stem plan and for functional. You can transforming your outdoor space into a choosy retreat with stream for a budget. Here are some ideas to inspire your backyard depth mark open pallet furniture. Pallet are an affordable and various material that can be recycled into style outdoor furniture that often free or in clamping size for local watch house and hardware store. Use pallet to create a set area by define theme as a base of soft a branch. Add juicy throw in the water weather resisting fiber for comfort and style. Sticky light for embrace. Outdoor sticky light for a budget friendly a way to create a warm and invite atmosphere and our patio then our tree